Managing clarification requests. The strategic dialogue. Welcome to Lesson 14.3. The management of clarification requests in the period following a proposal submission carries a strategic weight that significantly shapes the trajectory of the bid. These requests are a vital conduit for fostering trust and securing a favorable outcome, and your response extends far beyond the mere provision of answers. The strategic purpose of managing requests. Effectively managing clarification requests is crucial because it addresses client concerns. They provide a platform for the client to voice any lingering questions or reservations. By responding professionally, you demonstrate a commitment to understanding and addressing their needs. Provides accurate information. It is essential to furnish responses that are precise and comprehensive, ensuring the client has a clear and dependable understanding of your proposed solution. Reinforces the value proposition. These inquiries are prompts to artfully reiterate the core messages and lend renewed emphasis to your proposal's value proposition. Influences the evaluation process. The effective and insightful management of these requests holds the potential to positively influence the client's evaluation, guiding them toward a clearer understanding of your strengths. Maintains a positive relationship. Prompt and professional handling of inquiries underscores your respect for the client's time and demonstrates a genuine commitment to open and constructive communication. Key elements of managing requests. To effectively manage clarification requests, you should establish a process. Define a clear process for receiving and tracking requests. Prioritize and respond promptly. Prioritize requests based on their importance and respond promptly with clear and concise answers. Gather information and prepare responses. Gather all necessary information to prepare accurate and complete responses. Document and track. Document all requests and the responses provided for future reference and for identifying areas for improvement in the proposal. Review responses internally before sending responses. Review them internally to ensure accuracy, consistency, and clarity. Communicate professionally. Communicate with the client in a professional, courteous, and respectful manner. Strategies for responding effectively. When responding to a clarification request, you should understand the intent. Carefully analyze the question to understand the underlying intent and the specific information they are seeking. Reinforce key messages. Use these requests as an opportunity to reiterate the key messages and value proposition of your proposal. Provide clear answers. Be direct and concise. Avoid being vague or evasive. Maintain a professional tone. Respond in a positive, professional, and helpful manner to build rapport. Use specific examples. Support your responses with specific examples, evidence, and data whenever possible. Key takeaways. Strategic engagement for bid victory. Managing clarification requests is not a reactive exercise. It is a proactive and strategic endeavor. By establishing clear internal processes, prioritizing prompt and accurate responses, and maintaining a consistently professional and client-centric approach, you can transform these requests from potential challenges into powerful tools for influencing the evaluation process and strengthening the foundation for a successful partnership.